This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, oven, microwave, awning, TV, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is 11,292 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.